Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What the Pac-12's addition of 4 Mountain West schools means for the future of the conference. It's not the same as it was, when it had USC as its flagship football power, Phil Knight as a key benefactor and Stanfords Olympic prowess all under one roof. The rebuilt Pac-12 is not going to be considered a power conference just because it has the name brand, its status already technically diminished by both the NCAA and the college football playoff in the past year. But, after 13 months spent as the poster child for a new college sports ecosystem that casts aside its smaller brands, history be damned, what the Pac-12 accomplished on Thursday morning is something of a triumph. For once, Oregon State and Washington State got to be the aggressors. They were not the last schools on a sinking ship this time. They had suitors who wanted to join them. Boise State, San Diego State, Colorado State and Fresno State will join the Pac-12 conference on July 1, 2026. The quartet of schools celebrated the news and what they view as their own ascension. There will be plenty of hand-wringing about whether this is actually worth the exorbitant cost to make it happen. The total price tag for the Pac-12 to poach these 4 members and for them to exit the Mountain West is around $111 million. Here's how the math breaks down. Each Mountain West school is required to pay a $17 million exit fee when leaving the conference at least 1 calendar year past the notice of withdrawal. So, that's $68 million total. The Pac-12 additionally owes the Mountain West approximately $43 million for adding 4 schools from its conference. When the two leagues signed a 1-year football scheduling agreement, for fall 2024, there were special provisions included that spelled out fees were the Pac-12 to poach Mountain West members. There would have been no fee if the Pac-12 absorbed the entire league in a reverse merger, but everything else had a price tag. Now, the Pac-12 has well-stocked coffers. The league has accumulated wealth from its settlement with the 10 outgoing Pac-12 members, its CFP and NCAA tournament revenue distributions, its bowl contract and the Pac-12 Networks infrastructure. The conference will be helping the 4 new schools pay for this move, sources said. The 4 schools will forfeit their shares of the Mountain West revenue distributions for this year and next as part of the league's bylaws, sources said, which is not insignificant. That adds to the expense of such a move, one that looks pretty much like a rebuilt Mountain West without its cellar-dwellers. Is this worth more than $100 million to do it this way? Just to destabilize a peer conference? The simple answer is that college football is a cutthroat business, and what the 2 Pac-12 schools are doing to kneecap the Mountain West is what was done to them when Oregon and Washington left for the Big Ten and the 4 corner schools, Arizona, Arizona State, Colorado and Utah, left for the Big 12.